Hey, Mr. Smith, when you talked to our marketer on the telephone, what was your area of interest as far as insurance would go?
Well, I really just need to make sure that I don't leave my family in the lurch if I pass away. I don't really have anything set aside or saved up for, funeral expenses.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, that's the most 95 people out of 100 I ask that question to. That's exactly what their response is. And what it says about you as a dad and as a person, Mr. Smith, is that you love your family. You never want to have a situation where you left anyone owing a bill which could be paid otherwise. What would you say the average cost of final expenses is here in the Pickens County area?
Well, I haven't had to deal with that for a long time. I'd guess $5,000.
Okay. In most cases, it's around 8 to 10. We recommend particularly around 10. And obviously, if you have a little bit more than what it actually takes, any money's left over would go to your family. Okay. Well, what it says about you as a person looking at this life insurance is that you would rather have the insurance company assume the burden for that big amount, the $10,000, and you can make a small monthly payment every month to cover the cost. Now, my job for you as your agent is to get you the best plan you qualify for. Part of having the best plan is always to get the most amount of insurance for the least amount of money. Hey, everybody wants that, right? But then again, you as a customer, you don't want to have any hidden surprises with your insurance. You never want to have a case where once you got your insurance program, hey, you're going to always, every one of us is going to pass away sometime or another. You never want to have a case where your insurance ran out, particularly if you're 80 years old and it'd be really hard to get insurance again. You never want to have a case where after, say, a couple of years, your rate started going up because it went up enough it might get to where you couldn't afford to pay for it. And finally, if at all possible, you'd want to qualify for the Miracle of Life Insurance. You know what the Miracle of Life Insurance is?
No.
It's the only cash or financial thing in the world you can pay at one time, one payment alone, and it's worth $10,000 from the very first day.
Wow.
Okay?